Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 279.
Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Step 2. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it helps. Step 3. Restart your router if using Wi-Fi. Fix 2. Disable VPN or proxy. Step 1. Turn off any VPN or proxy on your device. Step 2. Try connecting to Roblox again. Fix 3. Clear browser or app cache. Step 1. If using a browser, clear the browser cache and cookies. Step 2. If using the Roblox app, go to Settings, Apps, Roblox, Storage, Clear Cache, Android, or reinstall app, iOS. Fix 4. Check firewall or antivirus. Step 1. Make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking Roblox. Step 2. Temporarily disable them and try connecting. Fix 5. Update Roblox app or browser. Step 1. Go to App Store, iOS, or Play Store, Android, and update Roblox. Step 2. If using a browser, update it to the latest version. Fix 6. Reinstall Roblox. Step 1. Uninstall Roblox from your device. Step 2. Restart your device. Step 3. Reinstall Roblox and try again.